This dance is called the Hams Jam. It's a 64 count, one wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting on the right foot, step the right to the side, point the left over the right, out to the side, cross the left over the right. Step the right to the side again, point the left over the right, out to the side, over the right. That set of steps once more then. Side points off on the right. 7, 8, side, point, point, cross, side, point, point, point. Chassé to the left, rock back on the right, and recover on the left. Chassé to the right, rock back on the left, and recover on the right. Nice and easy, let's just add that to the top. Side points off on the right. 7, 8, side, point, point, cross, side, point, point, point. Left chassé, back, rock, right chassé, back, rock. Now we're effectively going to repeat those last two sections, but in mirror image. So we're going to step the left to the side, point the right over the left, point the right out to the right side, cross the right over the left. Step the left to the side, point the right over the left, out to the side, over the left. Just add on the last little bit, chassé to the right, rock back on the left, recover, chassé to the left, rock back on the right, recover. So that last set of two steps then. Off on the left, side points. 7, 8, side, point, point, cross, side, point, point, point. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Let's add those two sections, or four sections, together. That's our halfway point. Side point off on the right. 7, 8, side, point, point, cross, side, point, point, point. Left chassé, back, rock, right chassé, back, rock. Side, point, point, cross, side, point, point, point. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Second half of the dance then starts with some toe struts. So we're going to toe strut to the side with the right side strut. Cross the left over the right into a cross strut. Chassé to the right, rock back on the left, recover. So that set of steps once more then. Side strut, cross strut off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, right chassé, back, rock. Repeat that, mirror image, off on the left. So we side strut with the left, cross the right over into that cross strut, chassé to the left, rock back on the right, and recover. Just do that set of steps once more then, toe struts, off on the left. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, left chassé, back, rock. So add those two sections together. Struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, right chassé, back, rock. Side strut, cross strut, left chassé, back, rock. Vine to the right, side, behind, side. Now you're going to scuff the left as you make half a turn to the right. Into a chassé to the left, rock back on the right, and recover. So that set of steps once more then. Vine with that scuff, making that half turn. Off on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. We're actually going to do that twice. In the spirit of this dance, everything's done twice. So exactly the same, no mirror image this time. Vine to the right, side, behind, side, scuff, making that half a turn right, chassé to the left, rock back on the right, and recover. End of dance when you get to that point. So let's just put that halfway, second half section together. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8. Side strut, cross strut, right chassé, back rock. Side strut, cross strut, left chassé, back rock. Vine, side, behind, side scuff, left chassé, back rock. Side, behind, side scuff, left chassé, back rock. So that is your two halves. Let's put them together. Side points off on the right. 7, 8. Side point, point, cross, side point, point, point. Left chassé, back rock, right chassé, back rock. Side point, point, cross, side point, point, point. Right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Side strut, cross strut, right chassé, back rock. Side strut, cross strut, left chassé, back rock. Side, behind, side scuff, left chassé, back rock. Side, behind, side scuff, left chassé, back rock. Now, other than your chassés, there aren't any hand counts. So the chassés are the only place where you're going to get an hand count in this dance. So like I say, it is a one-more dance. So we will actually do them all again twice so you can see how it joins together. Side point off on the right. 7, 8. Side point, point, cross. Side point, point, point. Left chassé, back rock. Right chassé, back rock. Side point, point, cross. Side point, point, point. Right chassé, back rock. Left chassé, back rock. Side strut, cross strut. Right chassé, back rock. Side strut, cross strut. Left chassé, back rock. Side, behind, side scuff, left chassé, back rock. Side, behind, side scuff, left chassé, back rock. Side point, point, cross. Side point, point, point. Left chassé, back rock. Right chassé, back rock. Side point, point, cross. Side point, point, point. Right chassé, back rock. Left chassé, back rock. Side strut, cross strut. Right chassé, back rock. Side strut, cross strut. Left chassé, back rock. Side, behind, side scuff. Left chassé, back rock. Side, behind, side scuff. Left chassé, back rock. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Now the choreographer has actually said, if you wish to make it into a full wall dance just for a little bit of variety, on that very last section, rather than doing the scuff with a half a turn, just make it a quarter of a turn. So you do your side, behind, side, scuff, making a quarter turn right, left chassé, back rock, and then start the dance with your side points. Turn it into a full wall dance, should you wish to. We'll dance this one as it's been choreographed, one more dance. So let's give it a go to better music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side point, point, cross, side, point, 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 left chassé, back, rock, right chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross, side, point, 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 right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut, right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut, left chassé, back, rock, side, behind, side, scuff, left chassé, back, rock, side, behind, side, scuff, left chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross, side, point, 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 left chassé, back, rock, right chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross, side, point, 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 right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut, right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut, right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, side, scuff, left chassé, back, rock, side, behind, side, scuff, left chassé, back, rock, side point, chassé,
Give in to hearts to cling to,
side point,
and something won't come to
chassé,
when nights grow cold and
struts,
lonely. Stand by your man
struts,
and show the world you love
line,
him. Keep giving all the love you
Line.
can. Stand by your man. Stand by your man and show the world you love him. Keep giving all the love you can. Stand by your man.
hope you managed that one.